This is Cheryl Kuchek with Sublimation for Beginners and Beyond Facebook group. And I wanted to show you how I am going to do this stemless wine glass from Johnson Plastics because it's curved, and so I printed what I wanted, and by doing that it's not going to lay flat the way that you would want your design to lay, and make sure that you're actually getting a tight fit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually line it up where I want it to be. And by the way, I printed this on the 4.5 by 9. So I'm going to not press it there, but I'm gonna line it up there. And the reason that I did this, I spaced this out actually on their template, and then I printed this on there. So now what I'm gonna do, I actually should have brought my tape over here. Okay, so I'm going to tape that here, and it really doesn't matter if it's lined up for the moment, because what I'm going to now do is I'm going to cut this kind of in half, if you will. And now I can straighten it out. I have where I want it positioned. And actually, I'm going to take a bunch of this off because I don't need it. And it's lined up straight. And actually, I'm going to first do this one. I want to make sure that they are where they need to be on here. So now I had to contact them because they didn't have the time and temp on there, and I just want to make sure this is up a little high, so I want to make sure that I bring this down some. Okay, I think that's about right. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I like when it's perfect. Okay. I'll take this on this side, make sure that it's taut, and looking at it, looks good. So now I'm going to take my mug wrap, and so anyway, they said that best for it to be for 375 in an oven, 375 for 60 seconds. So that's, I'm sorry, not for 60 seconds, for 5 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, so I'm back, and I just wanna reveal. Let's see, this is what happens. It starts coming off, but okay, came out gorgeous. Look at that. I love it. So that was, I did mine at 370 for 5 minutes. I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, well, that's it. Thank you so much. I'll see you later, and don't forget to tune in for some more videos.